We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.